Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Naveen Dama. Today we are going to learn how to install Python on Windows machine. Let's get started. To install Python, open your browser. In the search bar, type Python download and click enter. You can see the following results on your web page. Click on the download Python link. You will be taken to the Python official download page from where you can download Python. On my date of recording this video, the latest version is Python 3.9.6. In order to download this, you can click on this button. This will start the download process. Once the download is complete, you can click on the .exe file in order to open the installation window. On the installation window, you can see the following options. Down below, you can see a checkbox, Add Python 3.9 to path. Checking this checkbox will ensure that python.exe file path is added to the environmental variables. Make sure that you check this checkbox in order to open Python anywhere in the system. After checking this box, continue with the installation process by clicking on Install Now. This will start the installation process. Let us wait till the installation is completed. After the installation is successful, you can see this page. You can see that the setup was successful. Now just close this window. In order to check whether the Python is installed correctly or not, open command prompt by typing cmd in the search bar down below. After the command prompt is opened, type Python and click enter. You can see the Python along with the version you have installed. If you like the video, please do subscribe my channel and press on the bell icon in order to receive notifications whenever I upload a new video. In the next video, we will discuss about Python variables concept. Thank you for watching my video. Let us meet in the next video.